Throughout the process of researching, we have realized that the field of crystals is a very interesting area. There are 7 basic crystal shapes in chemistry, which are triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, trigonal, tetragonal, hexagonal, and cubic. All of these shapes have their own distinctive properties, determined by the mass, size, and symmetry characteristics of the crystals. There are 2 common concepts when it comes to crystals, which are single crystal and polycrystal. They can be simply understood as follows. Single crystal is a simple crystal structure with a fixed shape and size. Polycrystal is a crystal system with multiple crystal structures in the same material sample. Our group has chosen the method of polycrystal growth to create its desired shapes. To carry out crystal growth, we prepared the following equipment and chemicals: glass beaker, glass rod, wooden stick, zinc wire, potassium aluminum, hot water, and electronic scale. Step 1. Measure 100 grams of potassium aluminum into the glass beaker. Step 2. Prepare 200 ml of hot water and slowly pour it into the glass beaker containing potassium aluminum, stirring well until it is completely dissolved. Step 3. Use the zinc wire to bend it into the desired shape. Then use thread to hang the shape onto the wooden stick. Step 4. Dip the zinc wire into the cup containing the potassium aluminum. After 2 days, we harvested the product, applied protective glass paint, decorated it, and used it for display.
We hope this video will inspire and encourage viewers to carry out the crystal growing process to create even more beautiful and unique product with wide applications in life. I'm Khanh.
I'm Minh.
We are from Irish School.